Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. This is Vishal and let's start today's Nifty Short Term View episode number 61. Today we can see that Nifty futures have closed 156 points up and Bank Nifty futures have closed almost 203 points up. In fact, all of the other sectoral indices have closed in the positive territory except PSU Bank, and special thanks to the metal and the auto pack which have performed pretty nicely. Even the reality pack has been not left behind. It has closed almost 1.5% up. Now let's have a look at the Nifty futures daily and the hourly time frame charts. On the right hand side I have the daily time frame chart, and on the left hand side we can see the hourly time frame chart. As per the daily time frame chart, I can clearly see that the trend is absolutely up, and we have a bullish bell-toll candle. It's looking very beautiful. Prices are above the dual moving averages. RSI is above 70. This is actually now a sign of strength rather than weakness. And if you can check properly in the hourly time frame charts, the prices are again trading above the both of the dual moving averages. Few days back, I had shared a small YouTube short video of 1 minute, and I guess that time Nifty futures was trading at 18,200 levels, and I had clearly stated that from this particular support band of 18,155 to 18,082, there is a possibility of a decent bounce back, and you can see the bounce back has actually got converted into a short-term uptrend, and we can see a rally of more than 600 points here. So this particular support band has worked really well for us. First thing is that. Now the second thing is, if you check the daily time frame chart, we are actually approaching the 161% Fibonacci extension resistance, which is at almost 18,965 levels. And if you check the hourly time frame charts, what we can see is that we have 1, 2, and 3. I'll just possibly highlight these highs for all of you. You can see these higher highs in the price, and we can see lower highs in RSI. Now, what is it? Is it a possible top? Is it a top? My answer is no, it is not a top. I guess this is just a sign that the momentum with which market is going up could slow down slightly in coming days. And yes, at 18,965, whenever the Nifty futures will test those levels in a couple of days, there will be a little bit of profit booking, little bit of consolidation might happen. And it will be very, very important, especially for a short-term trader rather than a positional trader, which particular stock you are buying, which particular sector you are participating in. That is very important. I would suggest that one should stay away from PSU banks, and I would like to analyze that in slight detail in the weekly sectoral analysis, which will be coming up on Friday or Saturday. But PSU banking space is one space where I'll stay away. In banking space, I would suggest that one could concentrate on private banking stocks. The reason for that is the overall trend in Bank Nifty future is completely up. There is no issue for that. And if you check the momentum, if you check these prices in last few days, the momentum is extremely strong in Nifty futures. And in comparison to that, the momentum in Bank Nifty futures is not that strong. And the reason for that is possibly participation in the PSU banks is getting lesser and lesser on the upside. You can see in last 3 to 4 days. And in private banking space, there are stocks which have not yet rallied. In Bank Nifty futures, again, if you can see, we were near a resistance zone. You can see from this to this particular wave, if I'm extending it on the upper side, we can see this particular Fibonacci extension is trying to give a resistance. Price is although above it, but a small consolidation cannot be denied for 1 or 2 days. Overall trend might continue going higher. And in the banking space, I would like to share one particular stock, and that is Kotak Bank. Kotak Bank is one stock which is in an uptrend, absolutely without any doubts. And you can see the candle which has been made today. It is a hammer. It is a decent candle, no doubt about it. If you can see the hourly time frame charts, we have a bullish bell-toll candle. We also have a decent breakout in the RSI, the trend line breakout in the RSI. So overall, it's a bullish looking chart. One thing is very, very important. Please do not trade without stop losses. Analyze your charts properly at your end and initiate your trades as per your own analysis. All right. So just to repeat one thing again about Nifty futures, that yes, we are in an uptrend, no doubt about that, but we are approaching important resistance in Nifty futures, possibly which is 60 to 70 points away, which could easily be tested maybe even tomorrow or day after tomorrow. And whenever that level comes, some sort of consolidation or profit booking may happen, which will only be for short term. But if you're a swing trader, you need to be extra careful, because sometimes a blip of maybe 50 to 100 points even in Nifty futures can cause a unnecessary stop loss in your short-term trade. All right. So I hope this particular video has helped you to understand how overall market might move in the next couple of days. Trade well, stay safe. Thank you.